Hello coders, welcome back to Refresh Coding. So today in this video we are going to see how we can connect our Amazon RDS by using EC2 instance. Okay, like as you have seen in the previous video, we have already created an AWS RDS, which is relational database systems in AWS. So I have already created this database. So now we will try to connect this database through our EC2 instance. So what I will do first thing, see this database is of type MySQL. It is a MySQL database which I have created. So first what I will have to do, I will have to install a MySQL client in my EC2 instance, and after that I will connect to my SQL, and then I will try to create tables and all in my database. So here if you see my EC2 instance, my instance is up and running. We have already seen this, how to launch an instance and how to connect with SSH in the previous videos. So today we will try to install MySQL client in this instance, and we will try to do some data manipulation in this. So if you can see here, my instance is up and running. It is already connected. I have connected it in the command prompt by using SSH connection way. So first of all, I will clear this all, and I will quickly update it. So I will run the command sudo apt update and then -y. So I will update my EC2 instance so that if any changes are there, it will go update. So since I am using an Ubuntu image, so that's why I will run this apt commands on this. If in case you are using Amazon Linux, then you can run your yum commands. Okay, so if you can see, it is already updated. Now I will just clear it and I will install my MySQL client. So I will run this command sudo apt install MySQL dash client, and you can specify here whatever client version you want, or else you can just say -y so that it will automatic take whatever version is available there. So if you can see, it is installing it. Okay, so it has already installed it, MySQL client 8.0.29, which is already available with this Ubuntu image. Okay, no need to download it. It is already available in this Ubuntu image, so we can just install it. Not a problem. Now I will connect to this database which I have created in Amazon RDS. So how I will connect to my database? So for that I need certain database credentials here. So what is the first thing? I want this endpoint to connect with this database. So this endpoint is nothing but my database host, and then I need some username and password. So what is username? For me, when I have created this database, at that time I kept the username and password as admin and admin123. So I will connect with those credentials. When you are creating, you are supposed to give your endpoint as hostname and your username and password. Now again I am repeating how to create this Amazon RDS that we have already discussed in a video. So if you are new, you can go and watch that video. So I will quickly connect now. So what I will say, the first thing I will type here is MySQL. Sorry. Okay, let me clear it first so that you can see properly. Then I will type here MySQL and then -u and my username, which is admin, then -p, and then my password, which is admin123, and after that I will put the host. So for host I will take this endpoint, my database endpoint. So I will just copy it from here and I will put it here. Okay, that's it. I'll do enter. It will just give you a warning like using a password on command prompt, command line interface can be insecure, because obviously your password is exposed here, but that's okay, you can ignore it. So it will take some time and it will connect with the database. So it will take a couple of minutes. Okay, and if you can see, now we are connected into our MySQL. So now here you can do whatever you want in MySQL. Okay, just make sure you are giving the correct RDS endpoint, username and password. So suppose here I want to see how many schemas are there, so I can just run this query. So schema, okay, so I think we made a mistake here. Anyway, I will just clear it. Okay, so I'm running one command here as create database book dp, and you can say query okay, one row affected. That means our MySQL is working fine here. We can create a table, we can update, delete, insert, we can do whatever we want with MySQL here. If you want to exit from MySQL, you can just simply exit. It will say bye and you are back to your EC2 instance. If you want to do some more operations here, you can do it. Okay, so that's it in this video. In the upcoming video we will see the other things with EC2 instance. Bye now.